In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use VibeStudio, an AI-powered coding environment, to develop websites smarter and faster, just like this particular website that is for an author, and this website that is for a SaaS landing page, and this particular website for a multi-pages website. But before I show you what the VibeStudio is all about, let me show you briefly about the website that we're talking about. So this website is for an author website where you have the info section, the about section, the benefits of the book, you have the featured courses where you can also integrate courses on the website, you have the testimonial and the newsletter part. And for the SaaS landing page, you have the info section, the about the SaaS landing page, you have some features cards that you can use to tell more about your SaaS as well. And for this multi-page website, you also have a lot of buttons and pictures and tests that you can use. The beautiful part about this is that you can use the AI power coding environment to generate all of this, including the text, the button, the images, and everything. So without much further ado, let's get started. All right, to start using Appmint to build your website, so all you have to do is to visit appmint.io, appmint.io. Then in this box that you are here, enter the kind of website that you want to build. So in this case, let's say I want to build a website for a professional baker. So I'm just going to say build a modern website for a professional baker. So you can enter this. So once you enter what you like to build with Appmint, then click on this, and then it's going to bring a prompt for you to sign up, and you do not need to fill in any details aside from that. So simply enter your email address, then click on start. So now the page is going to ask me, perfect, let's build your project. So the next part is where you are. It's going to ask you, do you want to start building from scratch or you want to start with a template? So depending on whatever parts that you would like to work. So if you would like to start from scratch, you can start from scratch by building exactly what you described with AI assistant. And if you want to start with a template, Appmint add hundreds of templates that you can start with, and you help you to actually get a head start with prebuilt components and features. But for this particular video tutorial, I'm going to be starting from scratch. So click on start from scratch, and then it's going to ask you what type of website that you want to build. So in this case, I'm just going to enter site demo. Then from here, you can enter your first name, which is first name. So if the name is already taken, it's going to tell you that the name is taken. So in this case, let me just put in site demo like this, and then see if it's unique. So that is available. So also enter that one, then enter your first name, then here you enter the last name, and then here you enter your password. So in this case, I'm just going to enter a password, then confirm the password again. So the purpose of the confirm password is to ensure that you are filling in the right password. So I'm going to enter the same password that I entered before. So once you are done with filling all of the details, then click on create account and organization, and from here it's going to take you directly to your dashboard, and there it is. You can see today your platform is live. You didn't just get a website, you got an entire software company in a box. And when you are done with this, so depending on the parts that you want to achieve, for this video we want to use AI to build our website from scratch. So all you have to do is to click on Open Studio Manager. So now this is the Studio Manager. So where you have this option, then you can now click on this top left corner where you can expand the sidebar. So when you click on this top left corner, then click on Output, then click on Site. So when you click on Site, this is where you can now start building your website. All right, so this is the studio management for your website. So here you have two tabs there. You have the dev environment. So if you want to see how your website that you are building actually looks like, you can click on the eye icon here, and it's going to take you to a new tab that is called the preview environment. But since we have not yet built anything yet, the next thing that you want to do is to go to the VibeStudio by clicking on this icon here. So when you click this tab here, it's going to take you to the VibeStudio where we can now start building our website right from the scratch. So the best use cases with VibeAgent is that you tell VibeAgent the kind of website that you want to build. It then plans, asks, and then codes, just like a true partner that is with you, assisting you with building your website. So for you to be able to access VibeAgent, so just click on this from the list of the icon that is at the left corner here. Click on this, and it's going to bring out Vibe agent types from here. So in this case, you can then enter this kind of website that you want to build. So let me say I want to build a website for a professional baker. So you can build any website that you like, be a property rental website, a kind of an Airbnb, so any kind of website that you want to build. So let's say I want to build a modern website for a professional baker who makes snacks, peanut cakes, and chin chin. So all you have to do is to enter what you want to build and then hit on send, and then wait for the Vibe Agent AI to actually tell you the next thing that you want to do, so that they can start coding your website right away, start generating the website. Now I'm waiting for the AI. So it's analyzing by request, processing the content, formulating response. So you don't need to worry about the coding. Everything is going to be done by the Vibe agent. So all you have to do is just tell it what you want to build, and then it's going to generate the code. If you want to see how your website looks like, you can go to this tab here and click on the eye icon here. So you can see now our website is live, and you can see how everything is actually looking so fine without me writing any code. So this is the name of the professional, the name that is been given, and if you want to change the name, you can change it to anything that you want, and crafted with love. So when you scroll down, you can see delicious cakes, tasty snacks, roasted peanuts, chin chin, and when you scroll down as well, you see about us, and you can see a lot of things as well. But if you should notice in this particular page, there are no pictures on each of these products, as well as the avatars. So you can tell the AI to add pictures there. So in this case, I'm just going to enter their, I can just include images mixing from the website, products, and about us page. Can please replace the empty placeholder with stock photos, and then click on send. So when you click on send, then it's going to check the message that you sent, and then it's going to make the changes as soon as possible. So this is just you giving the AI what you want it to achieve, and the AI is going to do everything for you all by yourself. And then the AI is going to tell you what it's going to do next. I'll create an images directory and update it to include relevant stock photo for the product and about us section. So the AI is going to do all of this all by yourself, so you don't need to worry about anything yet. And then when the AI is done, it's saying now I will update the index file to replace the placeholder with actual images from. So like I earlier mentioned, you don't need to worry about all of the codes. What you just need to do is that tell the AI what you want, and then check your preview, your website, if it's done updating the changes. So if something is still not right, feel free to prompt it again, but be rest assured that the AI agent is going to do exactly what you want it to do. And you can always refresh this part to check if your website pictures have been updated. So you can see now the images have been updated. So these images are actually stock photos, and you can use your image, you can use your own image as you like. So you can see this image has also been updated as well. So if you want to change anything as well, whether it is the text, the button, or you want to link, you can always change it. So for instance, if I click on the product, it's going to navigate to the product. If I click on about, it's going to take me to the about. But these are all a single page. So if you want to build separate page for the product, so that when a user click on the product, it's going to take them to the next page, you can also tell the AI to do that as well. So in this case, so the next part I'm just going to do is to tell the AI that instead of me having my products being displayed only on the home page, I want the AI to create a new page for the product, and then I'll move all of my products there, so that anytime a user click on the product, it's going to take them to a page where it's going to talk about each of the products as well. So I'm going to go back to the AI, and then So this is me just trying to show the capability of the AI. In this case, I wanted to create a new page instead of having all of the products on the home page. So I want to have a new page called the product page, and then have each of the products on the page then with a short description. So all I have to do is just to tell the AI and then click on send, and then the AI is going to analyze what I just said and then execute it immediately. So you don't need to worry about anything, just wait for the AI to do its work. So now the AI is it's analyzing the request and processing the contents, then formulating the results. So all I have to do is to just wait, and the AI will make all of the changes. So but right now the website is actually ready. As you can see from here, the website is already ready, and if you should try to check this on your mobile, it's fully responsive as well. So what I just wanted to do right now is to create a new product page, and then the AI is going to do that. Right, so now a new product page has been created for this, and you can, when you visit the website, so this is the website, you can refresh your website on page so that you can be able to see the changes. So you can click on the product. So this is where our product was before, and when I click on product, now I'm going to be taking a new page where we have our product, and you have description for each of these products. So for instance, for the Comstone cakes, you are able to see available in various flavors and sizes, party snacks, roasted peanuts, chin chin, and that is how it is. So if you want to also build more pages, you can also tell your AI to the Vibe agent to do it. So that is a short glimpse of what the Vibe agent can actually do for you, and the opportunities are quite limitless as well. You can continue to refine the website that you just built to make it to the best of your tastes. So this is where we're going to stop for this particular video. In subsequent video, we're going to be showing you more capability of the Vibe agent using Appmint VibeStudio. Until then, bye.